Hi everybody. So today our focus is going to be a clean with me and review with me video regarding this turbo scrubber, cordless handheld power scrubber. So for those who are new to this channel, I have some serious shoulder and forearm problems. It's an old injury and it just isn't getting better. And using my arm to scrub, to vacuum, to sweep during different motions is really painful for my shoulder blade, my neck, and all down to my forearm. So every time I clean the tub, I'm in tremendous amount of pain, usually that evening and the next day. So I was looking for something to help me scrub the tub. Now, I do have my teenagers scrub the tub. They do help, they're great helpers, but I also wanted something that I could just use on my own too. So I searched and Googled for power scrubbers, and I came across this one. So I purchased it from the Home Shopping Network. I can put a link to it down below. So I was gonna unbox it and test it out. I am gonna test it out in my tub, which is super dirty. I have let my tub get really gross. So there's 5 of us living in this house, right? So it's myself, my husband, and then I have 3 boys. They're 16, 13, and 11. And I've let the tub get really gross and dirty because I was testing out some other household cleaners in it. One in particular was this cleaning paste from Nolex. And so what I might do is I'm gonna test the power scrubber out first without using any detergents or soaps or anything or cleaners, and then I might add in this guy too just to see how well it works, because I find that this works really well in my tub, is that I don't have the shoulder strength or the arm strength to actually scrub that, to scrub it to get it clean. Okay, there's my dirty tub. Let's give this a try. I definitely think it needs a cleaning product because it's not really doing much. You can see this spot right here. I did that with that cleaning paste in a cloth. So I'm gonna try using that cleaning paste with this. Try the corner one. don't really like this one. I have a hard time using it, but I can see how it would go in corners good, but I don't like it. I'm gonna try the big guy now. I don't really like this one either. I like the tough scrubbing one the best. And I keep using that. Definitely did a nice job. You can see where it cleaned well. There's just an awful lot of pressure still on my arm to hold that thing against the tub to scrub it. It did a nice job. I'm gonna try a different cleaner with it. I'm gonna try it with this cleaner. What a disappointment. I was really hoping that this turbo scrubberator would make cleaning my bathroom way easier for me since I have a shoulder injury, and it did not. This, I don't know what this is good for. Dusting maybe, because anytime you put pressure on this, it stops. And it didn't seem to do anything in my bathtub. This corner thing collapses every time I try to get into a corner. I can see how it might work, but it's flimsy. This heavy duty guy was the only one that I liked. It was the only one that I wanted to keep using, and it's the only one that did seem to work for me. The problem that I have with this turbo scrubber is that I have to put so much energy and muscle power into pressing it, like, and holding it like this, you know, against the tub, that it's actually not helping my shoulder at all. Now, if you don't have a shoulder injury or an arm injury and you can hold things really tight, this will probably work fine for you. But if you're looking to use this turbo scrubber because you have like a shoulder or arm or maybe back injury or hip injury, no. Honestly, I think I've had an easier time of it just using my good old tub scrub brush and doing it by hand. Super disappointing for me. So I purchased it in the Home Shopping Network for $24.95 plus tax plus shipping. Ended up being like, I think, $29. For me, it's not going to help me. Now, when I asked my 16-year-old to scrub the tub, he might be able to muscle it on, like, you know, really muscle it on there and hold it on there and use it to scrub. I did try it with just water in the beginning, and it wasn't doing anything. I know it needs to use some sort of cleaner. I did try the Norwex cleaning paste, which I really do like. I did do a review for this, so I can link that somewhere if you want to see this. I really do like the cleaning paste. Other cleaner that I used with it was the hydrogen peroxide cleaner disinfectant. I find that this works really well too in the bathroom. So I felt like these two work really well in the bathtub when I'm scrubbing normally. So that's why I thought I would use them in addition to the turbo brush. But it's so amusing to me because I had to hold it so tight, you know, while it was shaking. It just, my poor arm, you guys, my arm. Anyway, I think for me, this turbo brush scrubber is not it. This is not going to help me clean my tub any easier because of my shoulder. I still have to put too much strength on my shoulder, too much muscle into it to use it. However, I can see how if somebody doesn't have a shoulder injury, this might be a great product for you to try. It just depends on you. But just know that if you do buy this and try it out, you can't just hold it and let it do its thing. You have to hold it and press it against and let it shake, and do its cleaning. I felt like I said, this guy, it just smushes. Like, you can't even get any pushing power on this. I seriously don't know what this is for. This might be it. Maybe if I had a really strong caustic cleaner, that the lighter brushes would be able to do the job by just kind of mixing it around and moving it around. They'll let the chemical actually break up the dirt and grime. That's possible. I'm not really interested in using a lot of caustic-y, chemical-y cleaners, so I was really hoping this would have worked. I was hoping for the mechanical advantage of this would offset the need for a caustic chemical, or the mechanical advantage of this would offset the muscle power that I have to use from the shoulder. So I guess I'll just give this an okay. Pretty disappointed though. So thank you for watching. If you have any products that you want me to try, put them in the comments section, and if I have it, I will most certainly do a review on it and show you how I clean with it. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day.